Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Kanban tool for lightweight task boards. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Kanban tool account. Navigate to the dashboard once you're logged in. Click on the Create Board button located on the main page. Give your new board a descriptive name that reflects its purpose. Select the lightweight option for a simpler task board setup. Once your board is created, familiarize yourself with the default lists. You can rename the standard lists to better suit your workflow. To adjust a list, click on its name and type in the new title. Add new lists as needed by clicking the Add List button. Drag and drop the lists to arrange them in your preferred order. Now, let's add tasks by clicking the Add Card button under the appropriate list. In the card creation window, input the task title and description. Set a due date if needed, to keep your team on track. Assign team members to the task by selecting their names from the drop-down menu. You can also add labels to categorize tasks visually. Once you're satisfied with the card's details, click Save. Repeat the process to create as many tasks as necessary. To prioritize tasks, simply drag them within the list. If you need to adjust the setup later, click on the board settings icon. This allows you to modify board details, such as changing the background color or adding integrations. Take advantage of the statistics section to track your progress. Periodically visit this section to identify bottlenecks and optimize your workflow. Now you're all set to use Kanban tool for your lightweight task boards. Experiment with different configurations to find what works best for your team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.